Every 11 minutes, someone in the United States loses their life to suicide. That statistic means that there's a good chance that you know someone who has had or is currently having suicidal thoughts. So how can you be a friend and save a life? Well, if you're concerned, check in on your friends to see if they're experiencing the signs of depression or suicide. Just pick up the phone or pop in for a conversation and pay attention. Sometimes there are very clear signs, like your friend is talking about suicide or death. Maybe they're talking about feeling hopeless or trapped, or mentioning that they feel like a burden to others. Maybe they're exhibiting reckless or harmful behavior, like drinking a lot of alcohol, taking drugs, self-harming, or driving too fast. They could be giving their things away, or talking to you in a way that feels like a goodbye. Sometimes the signs of depression are more subtle and may look like social isolation or withdrawing from activities with friends. Maybe your friend has a sudden change in behavior or a loss of interest in favorite activities, TV shows, hobbies, friends. Maybe there's extreme or unusual feelings of anger, sadness, or irritability. Even fatigue or feeling tired all the time can be signs of depression. Depression and suicide can affect all individuals in every kind of family, but there are some risk factors you might want to be aware of that can increase the chance of suicide. These include a history of family suicide or mental health conditions, childhood abuse, neglect, or trauma, previous suicide attempts, being bullied, struggling with a mental health condition or substance abuse, and access to firearms, medications, or other means of suicide. If you notice any of these signs or symptoms of depression or suicide, especially if they're coupled with risk factors, go ahead and take some time and talk to your friend. Dig a little deeper. Pull them aside and talk to them in private, away from other friends. Just let them know that you care about them. Go ahead and ask them directly if they're thinking about suicide. This may feel very uncomfortable, but it's better to get a no answer than to not ask at all. And then listen actively. Keep an open mind and don't interrupt, don't give advice, don't minimize their feelings, and don't compare their problems to others. The next thing you can do to be a friend is to get them the help they need. If your friend asks to keep these thoughts a secret, be honest but firm and let them know you need to tell a trusted adult. If it seems a suicide attempt could happen soon, stay with your friend and remove any potential lethal items in the area. Reach out to a trusted adult immediately. You can also call for immediate help by calling 988, or if you're in the coastal Tidewater region of Virginia, call 757-656-7755. Be a friend and save a life.